Before the installation, please follow these initial steps. First, check whether the configuration meets the requirements. And make sure your graphic card driver was released within the last 6 months. Set the power mode to best performance, and turn off the energy saver. Check Windows updates. Open the control panel. Turn off the Windows firewall. Create a high-performance power plan. Next, let's do app install. First, open the USB flash drive and extract the installation file to local hard disk. Select the destination folder for extraction. Wait until the extraction is complete. Open the Setup folder and start installation. Choose the language you need. Follow the default options. If this message pops up, check the configuration of your computer. And please don't install any antivirus app. Continue with the default options to complete the installation. If you have any problems, feel free to contact our service team at any time. When this message pops up, it means the installation is complete.